the ability to believe in yourself, the power of regaining the inner strengths, the attitude about the beliefs and strengths. These are all the signs of self-confidence. Ladies and gentlemen, without having self-confidence, it is difficult to achieve success. Yes, without having self-confidence, it is very difficult to achieve success. At this point in time, I do remember the story of a girl. The girl is a national volleyball champion and a football champion. In the year 2011, she was traveling in a train, that too in a general compartment, from Lucknow to Delhi in order to write CASF examination. On that night, a gang of goons entered into the compartment and they were snatching the valuables from the people in that compartment. So they also came to that girl and they tried to snatch the chain which is having. The girl resisted them. So in the fight, they have thrown her out of the train window. Because of that, she has hit to another train which is coming in the opposite direction on a parallel track. She has hit to the train and she had fell down between the track, between the two lanes. Her entire left leg and left hand were chopped off. Her right hand has got several fractures. Her back has got several fractures. All the night she yelled just like anything. She has screamed just like anything. But nobody were there to rescue her because it is jungle. Apart from that, the rats which are available on the track, they are biting her. She experienced all those difficulties. She experienced all that pain throughout that night like that itself. In the morning, when some farmers are passing by, they took her to the nearby hospital. After the examination of the doctors, they have said to her like this: your leg should be cut down because a lot of gangrene has been formed on the leg. Otherwise, it becomes septic and you will be dying in some few hours. So in order to remove that leg, you should give anesthesia. Then only it is possible. Whereas in this hospital, there is no anesthesian. So now there is only one option left for you. You should bear the pain so that we will cut the leg without anesthesia. Immediately the girl said, yes, I will bear the pain. I have to live. I have to take more challenges in my life. I have to do several things in my life. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the true spirit. If somebody would have in her position, they would have give up and they would ask the doctors to end her life. So the doctors has cut her leg. Then they have shifted her to the AIIMS Hospital, New Delhi. After 4 months, when she was recovering, her brother-in-law, who is taking care of her family, he sarcastically shown a pamphlet to her and he said like this: hey, have you seen this? Somebody has climbed Mount Everest, somebody is climbing Mount Everest. Do you also try for this? She immediately said that. She immediately took that pamphlet and she looked at it for some minutes and she told him, yes, I will be climbing Mount Everest. He laughed at her and told, do you want to climb Mount Everest? In this position? That too you are an amputated girl now. How can you climb? If you want, you can learn some arts and crafts, some tailoring or some beautician course for your livelihood. Even her well-wishers and surrounding people told like that only. But she said, no, I don't want to live a life like that. I want to achieve something. I want to make big. I want to climb Mount Everest, she said. So that is a self-confidence. Cutting the long story into short, she has met Bachendri Pal, the first woman who has climbed Mount Everest. She was coaching people to climb Mount Everest. She, however, got her number and she met her. By seeing this girl, Bachendri Pal said, "Your intention is fine. You have got greater self-confidence. You have got greater attitude. But the training cost would be 50 lakhs rupees." Ladies and gentlemen, this is the second stage where people, whoever they have got intention also, because of the money they will stop their goals and desires. But this girl said that, "No, I will try for sponsors." But no sponsor has looked at her, because she is an amputated girl. Who will look at her? At last, Tata Steels has come forward and sponsored her. So again, cutting the long story short, she has practiced and she is going to fulfill her dream now. She is going to reach the highest point in the Mount Everest, and she has done that. She has put the Indian flag over there. She is the girl, Arunima Sinha, the first amputated girl who has climbed Mount Everest. But again, ladies and gentlemen, there is a twist. When she is coming back, the oxygen levels in her cylinder was less. But there is a saying that fortune favors the brave. An American, he's coming to climb the Mount Everest. He is also climbing the Mount Everest. But as it has got dark, he could not continue from that place, and he is trying to return. Fortunately, he has got 2 cylinders, oxygen cylinders, and he has given one oxygen cylinder to Arunima. That's why she has survived. But ladies and gentlemen, after coming back, she didn't thought that her goal was fulfilled. She didn't thought that she has achieved something, but she told that she has to climb other mountains in other continents. 6 mountains are like that. I have to climb all those 6 mountains like that. That is my goal. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the true inspiration. That is the self-confidence. Because she believes in herself. Because she gains all her inner strengths. Because she has got that belief and strengths. She is so self-confident. And in the 2019, by the end of 2019, she has climbed all those other 6 mountains. So finally, she has completed 7. She has climbed all the 7 mountains in different continents. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the self-confidence. Nowadays, even children who fail the examination, they want to commit suicide. Even adults who had some small misunderstandings in the relationship, they will try to commit suicide. Even if a person loses his job, he will try to commit suicide. They have to really get inspiration from Arunima Sinha. They have to get self-confidence. They have to learn from her how to get self-confidence. So if you have the passion, and if you can learn and adapt the things, and if you have the persistence, automatically one can build self-confidence. And they can grow to the greater heights just like Arunima Sinha. This is Kiran signing off. Until we meet again.